Hello everyone, today we're talking about basically how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages, pictures. As you can see, I found only working method who allowed me to recover all messages, video, audio or all data, press them, and now we can select online do this or download zip for our device. It's super easy method to recover or deleted messages, video or picture. So where I get this application WhatsApp++ who allow me to recover deleted messages, pictures or video, it's easy. Open browser, go to this website Zino app, type this there, WhatsApp++, press install. Wait to finish this process. The last step is phone verification. After confirm every step, WhatsApp++ will be installed for Android or iOS device in 2023.